Hello, and welcome to this short video on the Kupo heavy-duty baby stand. Do you love your aluminum kit stands but find they are just a little too lightweight for heavier rigs like a boom loaded to maximum capacity? Have you ever found an inexperienced grip crushing or denting an aluminum riser with a clamp so it no longer slides up and down? Or ends up damaging it during transport? Well, at Kupo, we have the perfect solution, the heavy-duty baby stand, with the riser sections forged from chrome-plated rugged steel. This all-metal 4-section stand folds down to 45.3 inches for storage and transportation. It has an operating range from 53.1 to a ceiling-scratching 157.5 inches, with a weight of 14.3 pounds, and an impressive load capacity of 28.7 pounds. You won't see any rivets on this stand. The heavy-duty baby stand features nut and bolt construction. The top riser features a solid steel baby 5/8 inch pin welded on the top riser. This stand features heavy-duty aluminum brake castings for extra strength and smooth operation. This stand also sports signature Kupo aluminum knobs. The stand also features a knob on the lower spider casting, so the main riser section can be lowered independently from the base or for a fourth point of contact with the ground. Let's mount this Elechrome light motive 190 cm parabolic softbox onto our heavy-duty baby stand. First, we'll open our stand so that the struts are parallel with the floor for maximum stability. Next, we'll bag our stand with a couple of sandbags. We'll build our parabolic softbox by inserting the support rods into the holes of the light motive octa bracket. Now we'll mount an Elechrome monolight to the octa bracket by inserting it into the metal collar, twisting it until it clicks, and turning the plastic collar to lock it in place. Yep, just as I thought, no complaints from our stand. With my grip helper, we'll send our fixture skyward. For a strong, safe steel stand that will last decades and survive an inexperienced grip or two, the heavy-duty baby stand is up for whatever task you may throw at it. Pick up a few today and make your production easier. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo we like to say, never let go.